Hello guys! Welcome back again sa ating last video kung saan umuwi tayo sa Iloilo to spend Christmas and New Year. And today, December 29, ito yung time kung saan babalik tayo sa ating school kung saan tayo nagtapos ng high school. Today is our third Grand Alumni. So I graduated high school 2005 and ang dami at ang laki na talaga ng pinagbago ng school. At this point actually hinahanap ko yung venue ng event. So obviously na liligaw ako, but eventually narating ko tong venue kung saan nagsa-start na ang program. Di pa ganon karami yung tao, pero eto na yung part kung saan nag-a-award na sila ng ating mga outstanding alumni.
Please be at the center and have your pictures taken. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our alumni awardees, outstanding alumni. Let us give them a big round of applause.
And I'm proud to say na isa sa mga inawardan na outstanding alumni ay ang aking close friend na si Calvin, na i-introduce ko, ipapakilala ko siya in a bit kasi medyo malayo yung sa video. And after the program, bumalik lang kami dito sa room, sa designated room ng batch namin. Nag-prepare kami ng food and nag-ayos na rin to make sure na ma-accommodate lahat na nag-attend ng Grand Alumni Homecoming. And talaga namang napaka-generous ng star section ng batch namin kasi nag-donate sila ng lechon. But other than that, of course, ano pa din kami, nag-shell out ng mga idadagdag, nagpa-cater kami. And I think everyone enjoyed the food naman. At eto na nga po, isa sa mga alumni, outstanding alumni natin, si Calvin. Hi, Calvin! And yung event nga po natin, or yung Grand Alumni Homecoming po natin, ay hanggang gabi po siya. So after the kainan and catch up, tinuloy pa rin yung catch up dun sa may gymnasium, sa bagong gymnasium ng school namin, kung saan nag-inom and nag-sayaw-sayaw. Though hindi talaga ako nag-join magsayaw-sayaw kasi parang feeling ko hindi na kaya ng katawan ko at sumasakit na yung mga buto-buto at kasukasuan ko. So I'm really happy we had this chance to get together, mag-catch up, magkamustahan. At ang saya lang na balikan yung mga memories noong high school, kung saan yung problema lang natin that time is gigising ng maaga, kung anong babaunin, and of course yung time to study. But iba talaga yung yung memory nung high school, iba yung saya. And other than sa classmates, meron din tayong mga nakitang mga teachers natin nung una, like this is Sir Einstein. So dun siya, hindi siya masyado nasagip ng camera, pero he was my teacher, subject teacher sa may Aralpan, which is one of my favorite subjects, by the way. So we're still enjoying band dito. And fast forward na nga tayo, December 31 or New Year's Eve. Dito kami ngayon sa church to attend yung, I'm not sure if matatawag pa tong simbang gabi, but technically last mass of the year. So I was with Mama, my mommy, and isa sa mga pamangkin ko, si Boy Boy, si Mami Diding din, kapatid ni Mami. And after that, we went home. Nakapag-prepare na din naman kami ng New Year. So we had some pictures taken, and ito yung isa sa mga handa. Ito yung mga handa namin during New Year. And lumabas lang kami, though wala talaga kaming fireworks or pampaingay. Yung pampaingay lang namin is yung kaldero, yung mga cooking stuff just to invite na New Year na talaga. So nanood lang kami ng fireworks at mga nagmumotor sa labas. Then bumalik ulit kami sa loob to prepare to eat na. Then we opened this sparkling drink. Yan yung pang third namin, si Nuno yung nag-open. And eto na, nag-pray na tayo for all the blessings and for the upcoming blessings.
Salamat man o Lord sa nagligad ng tuig nga imo kami pinush. Ubayan lakin bless agud makabot kami sa tining nga bag-o nga tuig. I-bless mo man ang amon pamilya ag amon panimalay. Sa tining nga tuig nga amon ginasupa.
And ayun na nga guys, New Year na, January 1, 2025. So ganun lang kabilis ang naging bakasyon natin. And after the New Year celebration, siguro nagpahinga lang ako ng mga 1 or 2 hours. Tapos nag-impake na din ako. Kasi I have to be at the airport ng mga 6 a.m. kasi yung flight natin dyan is 7:35 a.m. back to Manila. And while we are waiting for our boarding, nagkape lang muna tayo and had small breakfast kasi after nung New Year natulog na ako agad and nag-impake. So I am eating egg sandwich na i-rate ko ng mga 3 out of 10. Pero anyways, yung coffee naman is okay. So dito lang ako nagpalipas ng oras while waiting for our boarding. Ayun guys, I wish I have stayed longer, but I need to go back sa Manila. Though work from home naman ako, pero we have our personal reasons naman why we are choosing to stay in one place. So we'll talk about it soon, but thank you for joining me sa pag-uwi ko, and I'll see you again on my next video. And if you like this kind of video, I hope you would consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Goodbye!